Have you ever felt that getting your GST refund is harder than it should be? You're not alone. Delays, confusing paperwork, and endless follow-ups sound familiar? Figuring out how much you're eligible to reclaim shouldn't feel like solving a puzzle. But for many, those tricky calculations turn into a major headache. We offer a free calculator on our website where you can quickly and easily estimate your refund amount. Just a few clicks, and you know exactly what you are owed. We break down the process step by step, so you know exactly what's needed at each stage. Our expert team ensures everything is filed correctly the first time. Many businesses don't even realize they are eligible for refunds or how much they could recover. This leaves valuable money just sitting with the government. Why let GST refund slow down your growth? With MyGST refund, you are not just waiting for a refund, you are taking control of it. Follow us to discover how we are revolutionizing the way businesses reclaim their GST refund.